2001 Pathfinder with the Falcon AT3W 255 70 16. Fit perfectly, don't rub at all. This isn't a review or anything on the tires, but when I was looking to purchase new tires, I wanted some decent all-terrain tires, and these weren't offered in the factory. 255 65 17s, so I saw a lot of contradicting information online. Some people said they rubbed, some people said they didn't. So this thing is clear, doesn't rub anywhere. Just put them on yesterday, so pretty happy with the purchase and the way they look. Gave the Pathfinder a little bit more of an aggressive look.